Since ancient times, essential oils have been extracted from various parts of plants, such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, or fruits, and used for their healing properties. Our channel often discusses the benefits of essential oils. And today we will focus on their importance in treating joint pains and conditions like arthritis and arthrosis. Joint pain and swelling can be extremely uncomfortable. But ginger essential oil can help alleviate these symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory properties. You can consume ginger through your meals, tea, or as a supplement. Basil essential oil is another kitchen staple that can reduce swelling and has been shown to protect cartilage from damage. Lavender essential oil is commonly used in aromatherapy and can help relieve arthritis pain with its analgesic properties. Frankincense essential oil also has analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce cartilage damage and immune response. To use these oils, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or almond and massage the affected area for around 20 minutes. You can also create a synergy by mixing avocado oil with lavender essential oil and applying it to the affected area. Or diluting the mixture in hot water for a hot compress. Repeat these treatments 3 times a day for the best results. Have you tried any of these essential oils for arthritis? Share your experience with us.